India launches its first solar mission to study the Sun. India successfully launched its first space-based mission to study the Sun, named Odyssey L1, on Saturday, September 2, 2023, from the Satish Dhawan Space Center in Sriharikota. The launch took place at 11:50 a.m. using the Polar Satellite Launch Vehicle, PSLV, in its XL configuration, which is the most powerful variant of the rocket. The Odyssey L1 mission is India's first dedicated scientific mission to observe the Sun and its various phenomena that affect space weather and climate on Earth. The mission aims to provide insights into the solar corona, the outermost layer of the Sun's atmosphere, which is visible only during a total solar eclipse. The mission will also study the solar wind, the stream of charged particles that emanates from the Sun and interacts with the Earth's magnetic field. The spacecraft, after traveling about 1.5 million kilometers from the Earth over 125 days, is expected to be placed in a halo orbit around the Lagrangian point L1, which is considered closest to the Sun. This orbit will allow the spacecraft to have a continuous view of the Sun without any occultation or eclipses. The spacecraft carries 7 payloads on board, 4 of which will directly view the Sun and 3 of which will carry out in situ measurements of particles and fields at the L1 point. The mission is a fully indigenous effort with the participation of several national institutions, such as the Indian Institute of Astrophysics, the Physical Research Laboratory, and the Inter-University Center for Astronomy and Astrophysics. The spacecraft was developed by the U.R. Rao Satellite Center in Bengaluru and it arrived at Sriharikota earlier this month. The mission has been developed at an estimated budget of 424 rupees crore. Prime Minister Narendra Modi congratulated ISRO and the scientific community for the successful launch of Odyssey L1. He tweeted, "India's first solar mission is a proud moment for our country. Odyssey L1 will enhance our understanding of the Sun and its impact on our planet. I congratulate ISRO and all the scientists involved in this historic achievement." The launch of Odyssey L1 comes just days after ISRO became the first space agency to soft land a spacecraft near the Moon's south pole with Chandrayaan-3. With these missions, ISRO has demonstrated its prowess in space exploration and science. Odyssey L1 is expected to provide valuable data for improving our knowledge of the Sun and its influence on our environment.